I almost forgot how long has it been since I set up my row 10. But yes, this is an update. It's very full right now. I'm actually gonna need a bigger roll tin because everything touching to the top. This one all the way to the top from the bottom. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around. There's a lot here. It's really full, but I'm loving it that I can walk around and just enjoying these leaves. Over here. So I can sit right here, or I have a lot of baby plants in here. Yep, that's a quick update. I think it has been 2 or 3 years now, right? I don't even remember, but yep, it's really full now. Have a good